quoted a post by Pashinyan. It was somewhat different. On June 17, he made 3 posts. One that the bite will do it my way, use control, widely hiding a closet. Do you consider this direct influence over the judiciary or the law enforcement? And if yes, what would be the response to that? What are the legal processes to counter that? Maybe you could launch a case with the prosecutor's office or draw the And what's your expectation of today's hearing? If you consider him a political prisoner, Nikol Pashinyan counter saying that there are no political prisoners now.
Firstly, I want to thank you.
Նախ շնորհակալություն.
I was trying to short circuit the comments, but you're absolutely right.
Ես փորձեցի խուսանավել այդ երեք արտահայտությունները չմեջբերել, բայց դուք դրանք մեջբերեցիք.
And in fact, it would appear to anyone to be orders to the court.
Եվ իսկապես ցանկացած մարդ դրանք կարող է ընկալել որպես հրահանգ դատական համակարգին.
Which is why I believe all these charges fail under Article 18.
Ինչն էլ հենց պատճառն է դրա, ինչ եմ ես համարում, որ ըստ 18-րդ հոդվածի բոլոր այդ մեղադրականները փլուզվելու են.
Because they're all brought for an improper purpose.
Որովհետև անիրավաչափ նպատակ են հետապնդում.
So, in respect to my hopes for this afternoon, let me say respectfully, they are limited.
And about the Prime Minister denying there are political prisoners?
Look, I feel sad for Mr. Pashinyan. I really do. Because I think that he is a terribly fearful man. Fearful, insecure. Anyone who has to resort to the language he used to attack the church that is really, in so many ways, the center of Armenian life. You feel sadness. Because, to be honest, when you are up against a brilliant autocrat, you can be angry. I have had press conferences like this in Moscow and denounced Putin. And was arrested for that. But in this case, when I see the beauty of Armenia and its people, and the tremendous spirituality of the church, and its relationship to the people, it's just a feeling of sadness.